All right, welcome guys. So would you like to learn how to make passive income while you're at home? As you can see, we made a total profit of $877 in this account. You see, and the net profit is actually 796, and the profit in general, according to this chart, is about 30% this month within the past. And of course, we have several accounts that we're trading. Now, you might be wondering, is this a screenshot? No, this is a live account. I'm going to refresh it right now. As you can see, it's refreshing. So we trade on Binance and on some other platform. Let it load so you can see that it's actually a live account. So this is the percentage increase. So let me show you the numbers. So total profit is $877. USDT means dollars. Total loss is $81, and success winning days 18 days, winning days, losing days 2 days. That's over 90% win rate. So would you like to learn how to make 30% to 29%, how to make profit like this while you stay at home? Just make sure you check the description below. There's a link to this website, Blockchain University, where we'll teach you how to trade and make passive income while you're at home or at work. All right, and also please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep getting investments, maybe news or whatever information that will help you make passive income while you stay at home. All right, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video if you find it very interesting. All right, so see ya.